Alright, hey guys, today we're going to be actually doing an unboxing of the Hackerbox subscription. I recently signed back up to the Hackerbox, which is a really cool electronics grab bag kind of box subscription you can get. It's got all kinds of cool projects in here and things. Every month you get something different to do and some different things to make, and they basically send you the box with a bunch of different stuff in it. And so I'm going to unbox it and show you what's inside, and probably won't know anything of what these things do, but then they always post an instructable on some of the different projects you can make with the stuff that's inside. I have a ton of previous boxes that I never did anything with. I've got a bin full of electronic components, and I think in the next, as I go with this channel, I'm probably going to start breaking those out and start making some projects, doing some electronics projects too. So I figured this would be a good way to get that ball rolling. So without further ado, let's crack this thing open. All right, so hopefully we can see this. Just got it on my table saw, and first we have to figure out where the opening is. Alright, let's see. Let's just dump it all out. Alright, save that. Alright, so first up we have a Hackerbox Hack Life patch. Looks like it's an iron-on kind of patch. They always give you kind of cool patches or stickers or something. So that's kind of cool. These are stickers. Webcam spy blocker. Interesting. So it's like as you look at things, you get kind of a hint of what might be in the box this month. So let's set that aside. This looks like a breakout board, some kind of breakout board. This is, who knows? Looks like there's a transformer in there. So don't know. These basic Wi-Fi smart switch. Okay, so it's going to have remote control of, probably wire up power on one side, power and going to your device on the other. So these are smart switches. Cool. Some cables. Alright, and then a bunch of components. There's resistors, some transistors. This is, it's got a USB port on it. Some kind of number, so I don't know. This looks like an IR sensor or something of the such. Like I said, we may have to wait till we get to the Instructable to see what any of these things are. Usually they have a card inside the box that would tell you at least some of the things or some of the major project. This is a relay board. Relay board with some pinouts. That's pretty cool. This is Wi-Fi board. So this is Wi-Fi board with the pins. Another Wi-Fi board. So I'm going to guess that these are similar to this in that they have basically wireless controlling capability. This is another relay board. So I got two relay boards, two wireless switches. Basically, it seems like we're building something like this from scratch. Because that's what these would basically do. Another breakout board. So we've got two breakout boards, two Wi-Fi boards, two relay boards, This is, I don't know what that is. It's got long copper traces here, so some kind of antenna, maybe, I don't know. It's the relay, and this is, don't know, but it's got pinouts, it's got pins on it. So we've actually got two of these little transformer boards. So it looks like we've got almost two of everything. Two relays, two breakouts, two Wi-Fi, two, I'm guessing these are some kind of power converter. It's got the transformer and capacitors, so it's going to convert, 12 volts to 5 volts or something, who knows. We'll find out. So alright, that's pretty much it for this box. It's an interesting collection of stuff. This has to be some kind of brain. This is the only thing that I got one of. That and this, whatever this little guy is. It might be some kind of, look, it's got 3 pins on it, so it's almost like it's a variable transistor, a variable resistor. This thing is a dial. No dial. So it's going to be some kind of IR sensor or something. I'm not sure what that is. Alright, well, we'll find out. Back. Alright, so that's it for this box. You can see it's got some cool stuff. It's got a project coming up. Don't know yet what that project's going to be. We're going to find out. I'll probably break this all back out. I'm going to leave it in the box that it came in, so that way it doesn't get mixed with all the other stuff I have. I have just a big bin of crap that is completely unorganized. I think going forward I'll try and keep them in the boxes they come in. It's got the Hackerbox number in it, 54, so that way I can go to the Instructables and I can see exactly what I'm supposed to be building with this. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. This will be a quick one, and in a following video I'll actually do something with these. Alright. Real quick, I wanted to mention too, I mentioned that I have a box of stuff, and this is my box of stuff here. I just wanted to show you guys what you're in store for. I've got propeller boards, I've got everything that's come in a previous Hackerbox. That was in a Hackerbox. These are the cards I was talking about that normally come with the Hackerbox. They kind of like show you a little bit. So it looks like they've either gotten away from this or everything's online. They send you all kinds of cool stuff. I mean, this is like an entire project in a bag. But this box is just full of stuff that I've collected over the years. More propeller boards, breakout boards for Arduino, some kind of project. And parts that go on this will be in a bag somewhere in here. Raspberry Pis. So anyway, just tons and tons of stuff. These are power transistors, power resistors, I mean. Don't know what those are for. Tons and tons of stuff. Here, take a look at this here. Let's see if you can't see that. That's like tons of junk. So I'll be getting into all these projects coming up in some future videos. This is like previous stuff I've done. I have no idea. So anyway, that's it. This is the future. Alright, thanks for watching.